English we speak.
From BBC Learning English.
This is the English we speak. With you, Neil.
And you, Feifei. Hello, everyone.
Ah, Neil, it sounds like you're in a good mood.
You'll never find me in a bad mood, Feifei. Why?
Well, I wanted to ask you a favour.
Oh, yeah?
I need to leave early today and wondered if you could finish this programme on your own and then start writing another script.
Are you joking? If you think I'm going to do all my work and yours, then you're living in cloud cuckoo land.
Where is that exactly? I can assure you I live in London.
Yes, I know that. What I mean is that you are silly to think the impossible is possible. That's living in cloud cuckoo land. Basically, you are misguided to think I can do my work and your work, okay?
OK, Neil, if you say so. Neil thinks I'm silly to believe he can do his work and mine, but we'll see.
Let's hear some examples, shall we, while you visit cloud cuckoo land.
If my teacher thinks I can do my grammar homework and learn all my new vocabulary tonight, then he's living in cloud cuckoo land.
If you think we're going to win this match with only 10 players, then you're living in cloud cuckoo land.
He's clearly living in cloud cuckoo land. How can we ever afford to buy a house with the little money we earn?
So, living in cloud cuckoo land describes a situation where someone thinks doing something impossible is possible. So it's about someone being unrealistic.
Exactly, like you wanting to go home early and me doing all your work. Ridiculous.
Well, Neil, if you think I'm going to sit here and miss out on front row seats at the theatre, then you are living in cloud cuckoo land.
Oh, so you're off to the theatre, leaving me to finish the programme?
I am, Neil. See ya.
Well, everyone, today's programme is about the phrase living in cloud cuckoo land, and it appears I'm in it. Bye for now.
The English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.